Hello everyone. Today I am going to be showing you how to submit assignments in Google Classroom. And there's a couple different ways and some of them can be a little tricky, so we thought a video might help with that. So I'm starting off in just a regular google.com screen, and I'm going to go to Google Classroom. And it shows a sample class here that Mrs. Neal has made for my example. And so I am a student in this class, and I see that Mrs. Neal has posted 2 assignments for me. And so I'm going to click on the tips for online searches first, because remember, the oldest stuff is down at the bottom, the newest stuff is at the top. So this first activity, when I first go to this page, it's going to kind of open up these pop-ups to help me. So it tells me where the turn-in button is. And it gives me the name of the assignment, Tips for Online Searches. And I have 4 steps here to watch the attached video about how to do accurate online searches, open the Google Slides presentation and create a slideshow, include at least 7 tips and be creative, and turn in my assignment. So when there's a video here, you just click on it and it opens up and you can watch the video. And then you can press the back to go back to the main page. And then on the right, underneath where it says your work, you will see an assignment already here, and it will have your name or your child's name as the beginning of the file name. And this is automatically done by Google when the teacher attaches a file this way. And so you want to make sure that you don't press the X here, because that deletes it from this file and you have to recreate it yourself. So we're going to click on the student's name, and it opens another tab with our assignment. And this is Google Slides. So when we're done with this assignment, we're going to click the X, and then underneath that it has a turn in button, which it showed us at the beginning, and we will turn it in, and then it asks us again, are we sure we want to turn it in? And we click yes. And so now it says turned in, and it has an unsubmit, so that we know if we decide we need to change something, we can go back and unsubmit it. So now I'm going to go back to the class so I can look at that second assignment. And the second one is a technology essay. So I'm going to click on the assignment, and this time it shows me where I can talk with my teacher. So these comments, it shows you they're private, so the other students are not going to see them. Over here on the left, we have technology essay, and we have the instructions for the technology essay. And in the instructions, it tells us we're creating an organizer on notebook paper first, and then we're going to take that organizer and write an essay. So over here on the right, under your work, you'll notice that you do not have the file with your student or your own name there. So you have to click on add or create and go down to docs. And so when we click on docs, you'll notice it's creating that file just like we had on the other assignment. And so when I click on the assignment, it opens up in another tab into Google Docs so I can start typing my essay. And when I'm done, I just close that, and you'll see my assignment here with my name or my child's name right here. And then I'm going to click turn in when I'm sure I'm done, and then turn in again. And that's how you submit assignments in Google Classroom. I hope this has been helpful. If you have any questions, feel free to email me, spierce@stjosephwhschool.org, or Mrs. Neal at sneal@stjosephwhschool.org. And I hope you have a great day.